Hi guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome to what I got for Christmas part 2. If you're interested to see what all I got, part 2. If you're interested to see what all I got, if you are interested to see what else I got for Christmas, stick around. So I thought I would just kind of bust up my what I got for Christmas video 2 parts because I got several things and there goes Santa again. But mostly what I showed you guys the other day was what I got myself and also what Keith got me. Now, remember the Natural Life outfit that I got, the little sweatery, cozy outfit? It's too big, so I should have known better. So I'm exchanging it for a medium. So I don't know. I normally wear about a 9-10. So if that helps anybody, if you're interested in that little outfit, I wear a medium for reference. I'm gonna go ahead and start showing you the other items that I got for Christmas. All right guys, I do have a couple items to share with you that Keith did get me. And I forgot about these. These are vintage Havaianas. I was going to get some Golden Goose, a pair of high top Golden Goose, and I still will probably for spring, but I really liked these with the shimmer. Even the star is shimmery. They're just so cute. They're true to size. I wear a 7.5 and 8, and I got these in a 7.5. I kind of wish I had sized up because I'm having to break them in now, but they will break in. This part is suede. And I just think they're so, so cute. I've already worn these probably, yeah, I've worn these twice already and I really, really like them. All right, so the next item that Keith got me, and he gave it to me early, is this adorable Jim Shore, Charlie Brown and the whole gang. So I've been collecting Jim Shore for a little while. Actually, I've had Santa Clauses that I've collected that I've had for years, and I just wanted a piece with the whole gang together. So I just think this is the cutest. Look how cute. Lucy, Linus, Snoopy, just the whole gang, Woodstock. How adorable is this? This has been in my cabinet and he gave it to me early. This next item, oh my goodness, it made me cry. I love it, you guys. Look at this. It's my mom's hand on top of my hand. I think we got a glare from the chandelier, but anyway, there it is. So it's my mom's hand on top of my hand, and that is the day before she passed away. And we did not get my sister's picture like this, and we really wish we had. The ring that I'm wearing in this picture is from Greece that my parents brought back for me many years ago. And the blanket was her favorite blanket. It's a Barefoot Dreams. It was actually a blanket that I gave my sister for Christmas a few years ago, and my mom loved it, and my sister took it over there and gave it to her. But you guys, this is something that I will cherish my entire life. And so this is from Evan, my grandson, and his beautiful little girlfriend, Audrey. And I can't tell you how much this meant to me. It's beautiful, you guys. I think it's my favorite gift that I got out of everything, out of the bag, the trench coat, everything, because I honestly would give it all up for this. This is beautiful. I love it. All right, guys, so these are really personal gifts, and that's why I wanted to kind of do a separate video with this stuff. But the next 2 gifts are of my granddaughters. This is Ava. Remember Crazy Ava? She used to have a little channel and be on my videos sometimes. And then Audrey. And this is one of her senior pictures, and I just loved it, you guys. She had so many beautiful pictures made. So Audrey and Ava. Yes, and Evan's girlfriend's name is Audrey. We have lots of A names in our family. There's Alexandra, my daughter. There's Audrey, Evan's girlfriend, Audrey, and they're both Audrey Grace. And they both have the same initials. their last name starts with H. It's too funny. And then this is little Ava, and she's a 9th grader. And I just love how her dress matches the sunset. I have a gallery, family pictures going up the stairs, so I didn't have anything of them. So this is what my daughter brought me, and I just love it. Okay, another picture. My family knows that I love pictures. Look at this. This is Audrey. This is another session that she had for her senior year. She did get a scholarship playing basketball, and she's a really good player. So I love this one as well, and I love the fact that it's black and white. Audrey and Ava brought this to me, and I just love it. I love pictures, you guys. Oh my goodness. We've been going through some old pictures lately of us when we were little over at my mom's house, and it's hilarious. Maybe sometime I'll do a slideshow and show you guys some really funny pictures. All right, guys, this one takes the cake, okay? This is Drew. Look at this. It's one of the small woods, and I love it. It's when he was a newborn. This was his newborn session. He doesn't even really look like that anymore. He has a lot of dark hair now, but anyway, how sweet is this? Oh my goodness. So I just about died, and my soon-to-be daughter-in-law, her name's Autumn, another A name, you guys. We have a theme going on in our family. Anyway, when she brought this, she also got my daughter one, not as big, a smaller one, but my daughter just busted out crying. I could have died. I knew what she had gotten me because she couldn't hold a secret. She's kind of like me, and she told me, but look how sweet this baby is. That's baby Drew, and people have been asking for an update on little baby Drew. He's doing really well. We're taking him to Vanderbilt for some tests the January 22nd, and we're just gonna, you know, they're gonna check him out thoroughly. He's about 2 months behind on his, you know, his development, but every day he is making gains. He is rolling over. He's not really sitting up yet. He's 6 months old, but he tries to. But his pediatrician said, yeah, he's about 2 months behind, but he's making gains, and he is small, but he does have to take propanolol, that's a heart medicine, and we take him to endocrine to check on his sugar. Sometimes it dips down, but actually it's only done that once in months. So thank God for that, but he's doing really well. But this is the sweetest, and this is gonna be at the very top of my stairs. So I love it. My little baby Drew. And my family knows, if they don't know what to get me, just get me pictures, because that's what I love. Because I love my family. All right, guys, and these earrings I have on are also from my daughter, and they're Jacqueline Smith, and she got me a pair and her a pair. I really, really like them. Very lightweight. She also got me these 2 bracelets here. This one, it's just gold beads, and I don't know if it's E. Newton or not, but then okay, this one, the real sparkly one, I love it. Look how I love that. So I have the little dangly thing, and right in the middle, right here, it has my initial, it has a Y, and I think it's a really pretty stack. This is a bracelet that Keith got me. When did he get it for me? Was it Christmas last year? Or was it my birthday? No, not my birthday. I think it was Christmas last year. But this is really pretty. Diamonds and gold, and then this. And I thought that was a really pretty stack. And I love this little sparkly bracelet. She got herself one. Sometimes we get each other matching stuff so we can match. But anyway, I love it. I love this stack together, and I had a wonderful Christmas. And also, I will show you my Secret Santa gift, because I didn't have time to film it. We had company. Jordan was here from DC, and just a lot going on. So, plus I really wasn't into it and not doing so well. But anyway, guys, you understand. I have one other present. It's my Secret Santa gift, and this is it. It didn't come in a big box. Like, you know, a lot of times we'll send big boxes of things, and it came really, really early. So I had no idea what it was. And I opened it up, and I will share with you what it is. It is a Versace key ring or a bag charm. And it's from Devin Christopher. And it's in this pretty purple color. So thank you, Devin, for my gift. And yeah, I didn't film a separate Secret Santa because I didn't think I had enough content to do it. So I thought I would just put it in with this one. So anyway, that's all of my Christmas gifts, you guys. There won't be a part 3, but I really love everything I got, and I'm very thankful for all my many blessings. All right, guys, so I will share with you my bag of the day. Yes, I'll be carrying this all week. Well, it is supposed to rain, even though this is treated leather. You guys, I carried it tonight. We had to go to the mall and get Keith a suit because we're having family pictures made this weekend. This is the best, you guys, the best everyday bag ever. So I wore it crossbody, but I'll probably wear it handheld a lot. And let's see if it'll go on my shoulder. Well, it will, but it would be kind of bulky, but I could do it if I wanted to. But I love it, you guys. It is the best bag. So I will do a first impressions on this bag and show you all the things that fits inside of it. It's a fabulous bag, you guys. Yes, it's overpriced, but if you love this bag as much as I do, and you can't get it out of your head, because I tried to talk myself out of it. I told you guys that, but I couldn't get it out of my head, and now I have it and I love it. So I'm gonna enjoy the heck out of this thing. And it's just so soft and malleable. And so yeah, I'll be doing a video on this very soon. And I have a lot of fun stuff coming up, you guys. I am very close to 6,000, so if you're watching me and you like me just a little bit, please subscribe. I would really, really seriously appreciate, I would appreciate you guys subscribing and hitting that button. And also I will list everyone who was in on the Secret Santa and all their videos in the description box, so if you haven't seen them, then you can see them as well. So anyway, guys, that's all I have for you today, and I will see you guys in a couple of days. Peace.